Hello my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm Creation. Dear lovely friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Amen. My dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, today I'm showing an all-head trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most wearing and demanding crochet and hand-knitted dolly-less fancy cotton crochet crop top designs, halter neck top designs and blouse designs. So dear lovely friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find an alternative ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. So my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, you can get ideas. So take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. Dear lovely friends and viewers, we will be right back. Bye bye.